good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 7 from verse 11 to verse 17. Jesus make one dead boy come back alive. Little after that, Jesus and his special follower them left go to the town where they call Nain, and one big crowd follow them. When Jesus did near to reach the town gate, some people did carry out one dead body to go bury. Him did the uncle boy picnic for one woman where husband dead. Whole heap of people from the town did walk with her. When the Lord see her, him sorry for her and tell her say, "Oh no bother ball." Then Jesus go touch the coffin, and the man them with it carry it up. Jesus say, "You man, get up." The man get up and start talk, and Jesus give him back to his mother. Everybody frightened and they start praise God. Them say, one of the prophet them they amongst we, one powerful one. God come to help him people them. The news about Jesus spread all over Judea and the district them where they near it. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.